Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pick 3 Kansas, and today we are going to be going over the our number predictions for the 11th of February 2020, the evening draw. Now, yesterday we had yesterday evening the numbers that were called were 748. So we did our typical, the 317 rundown and my 3 tic-tac-toe grids. And this is one of those examples of when the next draw is not in this written down here touching like the rest, like it typically is. Sorry, my words are getting mixed up here. I did an additional, this is just from doing some research, an additional 1, 2, 3 rundown, which is just like the 317, and I did find it there. The gal, I think her channel is called Lottery Strategies. She just does the 1, 2, 3s, the 1, 2, 3 rundown. I personally have been just, experimenting with the 317 and had great results with it. So I went ahead and I did a 1, 2, 3 rundown with the 748, and sure as shit, what do we have? We got the 598 right here. 5, 8, 9. There we are. And like I said, I used to, or when I was first starting, I would do a 317, a 639, a 234, and a 123. But at the end of the day, that's just so, it gets to be too much, I would rather just keep it with the 317. And if I'm not as confident with what I'm seeing out of this, maybe I'll add the 123 or the 639 rundown. But anyway, that is the numbers that were called for the midday today on the 11th of February was 598. So I've already went ahead and done a 317 and the 3 tic-tac-toe grids using the 598 number. And these are some of the combinations that I've came up with so far, and I'm going to add some more here. I'm going to add a couple more that I think need to be played. So we've got 093, 693, 190, 427. I put an X in any because that means I'm going to play that exactly 427, and then of course any, just in case if it hits another way. And same thing with the 482. And then I've got a 765 any. Hopefully you can see that all right. Let's see. Okay, so the numbers that I wanted to add. Now, you can get all the information for the past draws is available on the Kansas Lottery website. And I use it all the time. I use it religiously. I think of a certain set of numbers, and I will go and put that in and see how many times it's been called any, and then I want to know the exact order. When has that number been called in the exact order that I'm playing it? And that's how I ended up winning the jackpots, is because I would see like, hey, this number hasn't hit like this since 2017 or whatever. And so I know that it's due because it was hitting consistently and then it just hasn't hit. And if I see that number, somewhere in my rundown, you best believe I'm going to play that straight or exact. And that's how I've won the jackpots previously, and I think that's a smart thing to do. Then again, it's up to how much work you want to put into determining your own sets of numbers. So the numbers that I've added here, and I'm going to try to make this a quick video so I can get it uploaded before the drawing tonight. It does take a while for my videos to upload. So it looks like here I've added a 5, 8, 4, 4, 9, 8, 4, 1, 9, and a 5, 9, 2. This number here, 1, 7, 4, I'm going to play that exactly. And I recommend also playing it any, because you never know, they could throw a 714 at you, and you want to get at least that 80 bucks if they do call that number. I recommend, if you play any number exact, you should also play it any, just in case. That's like security. It's like your insurance, just in case if those numbers hit. I personally would be mad, and I've done it several times. I've played a number exact and it hit any, and I was just like, well, there went my win for this drawing. 174 I know is due. 276 I know is also due. So I'm going to put, this is going to be exact and any. Sorry for my horrible handwriting. I was also curious. I wanted to know, I do these 317 rundowns all the time. How long has it been since 317 hit? And I don't have that exact information, but I know that it's due. And since it's here, I've written it down. And I think that's the only place that I see it touching it as far as here. I'm just going to play that number. I don't know why. But basically because I know that it hasn't hit for quite a while. So I got the 317. I've got the I'm going to do a 395. And this is another one. I looked at this and this stood out to me, 183, okay? And when I went onto the website and I looked it up, 183 in that exact order last hit on April 25th of 2018. So needless to say, it's due. So I'm going to play that exactly. And any, of course. And then another one, and this will be the last number that I am going to recommend that you play. It's 395. 395. The last time that number hit like that, just 395, was December. It was Christmas Day of 2017. So needless to say, that number is way overdue. And that's why I'm going to play it. So how many is this? What is it? 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 numbers in total. If you include the playing these ones twice, that's 22. I think that's a great number. So I might be spending $22 when I head to put my numbers in, just because I have a good feeling about these combinations. And I will be back with another video after the results are in, and I wish everybody good luck and happy number picking.